Alright people, welcome back with my channel. My channel is Aceh Esperanto Asosio. Alright, now I am one of the best beach, the people beach around the world. The name is Sabang Island. Sabang Island very the most famous thing in Indonesia. And then Sabang Island very beautiful beach, and then I'm iboih beach. Not every single people, every day, every single night, every single morning, people come here, just snorkling and then just diving and then just looking for some fish. Now I am one of the boat, small boat here. This boat is for a fish or the fishermen here, just looking for fish. That because a lot of people love fish and then shrimp and then crab here. Because not only for that but also for the fishermen just sell that for the market. So if you want to come to Indonesia, don't forget to come to Aceh, because Aceh is really the most very beautiful places, like Sabang Island, number one, after Raja Ampat, and after that Bali beach, after that very very beautiful, I think. So just remind you one more time, if you come to Indonesia, don't forget to come to Aceh. As I know, Aceh very most safety, and then very safe, then murder, then robber, rapists. No, don't have that here. So just remind you, Aceh always waiting for foreigner or stranger. So just waiting for many guests come to Aceh. I think that's all. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel Aceh Esperanto Asosio. Thank you for watching my video. Atau.